What's up, guys? Tyler at RC Madness. I got something different in today. I got a new charger I thought was kind of cool, so I just wanted to show you guys. I got you just zoomed in right off the bat here. Mind the noise, I'm running the vinyl machine in the back, cutting out some stickers. So we got a new charger in today. This is the Ultra Power, the UP6 Plus. I thought this one was pretty cool for kind of one feature in particular. It's got a wireless charging pad on the top of it for your phone, which is pretty sweet. Here's some specs here. We got wireless 10-watt wireless charging, 1 to 6 cell LiPo, 1 to 16 cell nickel metal NiCad. It'll even do 2 to 24 volt lead acid batteries. It's like a car battery, lawnmower battery kind of thing. And it's got 2 nice LCD screens on it. Not much other else in the box. Some specs on the back. Hold that there if you guys want to read them. Looks like a pretty solid charger. I just was interested to play with it, so I figured I would show you guys. I brought my my little 3-cell that I use in my competition truck. Do a little unboxing. We got the, your basic manual. Right here we got, comes with the charge cord. That's good. And the charger itself, pretty compact. Comes wrapped in this nice foam. Feels like it's plastic and a metal case. Got a good weight to it. The front looks real nice. Nice big fan. This one does have the XT60 plugs built into the front, not banana. Why I grabbed my battery here. I'm using the XTs on that one, so it should plug right in. Otherwise, you're gonna have to make some kind of adapter or something like that. I'm not sure the amperage on this guy. Kind of glazed over that. Let's see, she said. In the back here, we got 2 16 amps max. Now, if I don't know if that's 8 and 8 or 16 and 16. So we'll figure that out. But it is pretty good either way. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. We can check it out. I'd show you the wireless charging, but I use my phone to make the videos, so I don't think that'll work out. One thing I did notice is it does not come with any balance boards. So if you want to do a board, that's not gonna work. You have to get the boards separately. We're powering it on here. Take this off here. Let's see what's going on. I don't know, it might be a little hard for you guys to see the screen. I don't know how the camera looks. They're pretty nice screens. Lots to read out. Got the nice scroll wheel on the side to program it, top and bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to set it up for this battery. Now, I haven't used this charger yet. I'm gonna see if I can zoom you guys in a little here. That's not gonna do it. See if we can get in there a little. I'm gonna try to hook this battery up. We got, those channels are labeled here. We got channel 1 on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in, see what it says. Voltage comes up, and I'm gonna try to just hook the balance right in. These Venom batteries are a little short, so hopefully it works with me here. All right, so we got it plugged in. Voltage shows up 11.9. We're not charging or anything, so no amperage rate. Looks like it's set up. Here's the menu screen. I'm trying to do this so you guys can see. This is a 3-cell. I want to charge it. This is only a 1300, so I'm going to leave it at 2 amps, but see where it goes up to. So it goes right up to 16 on that channel. I'm going to put it back on 2. So pretty easy to program so far. So this is the first time I've used it. You can adjust the total voltage. I'm gonna leave it at 420. And looks like we just got a start button right there. And can't detect the balance wire. Oh, I guess we might have to set up a balance board on this. I'm gonna start it anyway without the balance hooked up so you can charge unbalanced. Oh, didn't like that. There we go. It's yelling at me for the balancer, so I'm gonna guess you have to hook up a balance wire to it. We're gonna go back. All the different types of batteries you can charge here. But it is, oh, okay, I see. I think it's just reading it out. Gotta flip this around. There we go. So I just had to put the balance connector on this side, not that side. Now it's reading out the first 3 cells. I think it was thinking I had a 6 cell hooked up and it was dead. That must be why I was reading 6 cell up here. So it must auto detect. Let's see, I'm gonna hook it up to the other side because right now it's set for 6S. Hook it up, see if it changes to 3. Yeah, so it auto detected, so that's pretty cool. So it went from 6 to 3 cell on this side when I hooked it up. It probably set this to 6 because I had it plugged in all the way on the other side. So that's pretty cool. We'll go ahead and start it on this side. So it kind of already auto programs. Let's start it. And I don't think I hit back instead of start. There we go. The screen kind of lights up a different blue there, and the amperage is going up, voltage, and your cell voltage on this side. So it's reading out everything on one screen, which is really nice. You don't have to cycle through. Like I use the dual 200 charger up at the shop. This is giving you a readout right on one screen. So that's pretty nice. You just probably just hit the button again to stop it. Yeah. Oh, you can adjust the current on the fly, stop it, or just go back. So that is pretty sweet. So this is a UP6 Plus charger, ultra power. Looks pretty good, pretty easy to use, nice and compact. Got the wireless charging on the top for your cell phone if it's compatible. 2 plugs, they're built-in XT60s. Balance lead go right in the front. Pretty easy to use. As I say, this is the first time I used it and I figured it out real quick. So it's 16 amps, should be a good charger, AC/DC. Thanks for watching, guys. Check it out. I have it up at the shop if you want to see it. See you in the next one.